Hello guys, for today's video, we are featuring our 12 kilowatt hybrid solar installation. So this is installed in Southern Leyte. As you see, there are solar panels on top of me. If you could notice, there are traces of rust on the structure. This is because it's near the seaside. At the back of this installation is the seaside. You can look at the seaside. That is the seaside. So it's really subject to rust. But the welder did a good job. He put on a lot of epoxy primer. What we need to do here is we just need to cover a second coating of epoxy primer and it's all done. What we used here are 600 watt Trina solar panels. These are bifacial solar panels. As you see, double phase solar panels. Bifacial means the light comes from the top and bounces back, goes back to the bottom, and then you get around 5% more harvest. It was not fitted all the way here, and then we had to fit at the other roof, that roof. Now I'm gonna show you what the inverter looks like and how the batteries are installed. Come on in. This is the rooftop of the house. This is a really big house. We've installed the 12 kilowatt setup. This is the 12 kilowatt inverter. It's handling around 24 solar panels there on the structure and on top of this room. We put all the breakers here, DC breakers. This one. And all of these wirings are covered into one cable tray. As of this time, all the batteries are full. 99%. And if you can hear the inverter, its fan is working. I can feel the fan working here. So if you're thinking of installing a 12 kilowatt setup, it would look like this. A 12 kilowatt inverter, solar panels up top, 21 to 24. That's what we normally install. And the partner for that is two 15 kilowatt hour batteries. I assume they have currently now they have really low electric bill, but the rate here in this place is quite high, and we're happy to install this for them. We've installed this a few months ago, and if you're planning on putting a 12 kilowatt solar setup in your home, it would definitely look like this. You have a choice of a DEYE or a Solis. We're currently using Solis now. We're using DEYE up to the 25, but for the year 2026, we're trying to utilize the Solis brand. Let's see. Let's compare who's better. Thank you.
I wanna be your alien queen. We can ride to the moon in your space machine. You get me in the mood. It feels so fucking good, just what my body needs.